Appointment time can be stressful, and it can be hard to remember all the times you felt sick or unwell in between hospital visits, especially when you're sitting in a doctor's office. The symptom journal keeps track of every symptom you've logged, so you can show an overview to your care team, a loved one, or just to remind yourself. Start by opening the CancerAid app on your mobile phone. If you don't have the app, you can download it and create an account completely free. Tap the track icon in the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This is your symptom journal. It shows you what symptoms you've logged. If you haven't logged a symptom yet, you can do so by following our symptom logging video by clicking the video thumbnail on the screen. Tap a symptom to see more details, such as the time you've logged it and notes and medication. You can add any medication you're using for your symptoms by tapping the Add Medication button. You can also edit your notes or delete the symptom entry entirely by tapping Edit in the top right. Tap Back to return to your symptom journal. To see other symptoms you've logged, you can swipe along the calendar or use the arrows to see previous weeks. You can also tap the down arrow beneath the days to expand the calendar to see the entire month. Tap it again to collapse the weekly view. Tap the icon on the top right corner to hide the calendar and see all the symptoms you've logged. This is a good way to get a quick overview of how you've been feeling over time. Check out our other videos to explore what you can do in the CancerAid app.